Landforms formed in the lower course of a river. Alluvial plain and floodplain. It is formed when the river is coming down following the slope in the plain region, and there the river is making the valley wider where it can deposit the sediments like sand, silt, mud, alluvium, etc. on the widened areas, and it is building up the alluvial plain as you can see in this given picture. On this course, the accumulation of these sediments on the river bed is happening at a large scale, and it is making the river channel shallow. Now this leads to the occurrence of flood. During the flood, the river water overflows its banks that results in the deposition of the silt and mud on the adjoining low-lying areas, and there it can build up the floodplain. For example, these are commonly found in the valleys of river Ganga, Brahmaputra, Wangho and Nile. Natural levees. Now these are the natural banks of a river which is formed by the deposition of sediments during flood, as you can see in this given diagram. And there, when the flood is getting reduced, the sediment is remaining there and forming the high natural banks, and this process continues and the bank gets increase in height during this flood condition only, because during the flood the river brings all its materials and deposits it on the banks of the river, and in this way it makes the natural levees. Now these levees are developed at a higher level, while the floodplains beyond them are seen in the lower level, but this can be seen at the higher level. Sometimes the flood water also breaks through the levees, as you can see in this given picture, and causes devastating floods. These are mainly found in the rivers like Ganga, Wangho, Mississippi and others. Delta. Now, delta is formed in the lower course when the river reaches the sea or the ocean, and there it deposits all its sediments, whatever it has carried during its entire journey, and builds up a triangular fan-shaped alluvial land which looks like a Greek letter delta. That's why the name has been given delta. And this delta is formed at the mouth of the river, when the river is forced to divide itself into multiple channels due to the obstruction of the flow. At that time the delta is formed. Innumerable distributaries are also formed near the mouth of the delta. So for example, Ganga Brahmaputra delta is the world's largest delta. Thank you children.